You have the hiccups. Hiccup. Sleepy girl. Yeah, you put your hand like this. I feel better. You put your hand like this. There you go. There you go. There you go. Whoa, did you burp again? You had a lot of burps, huh? You must have had a lot of air inside of you from all that eating you did. Get your hand there. Have you noticed your hands yet? Probably not, huh? Yeah. 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 Good night, baby girl.